Data is the new oil, but raw data is useless without a plan. Today we're mastering Exploratory Data Analysis, or EDA. This is the most critical step in any data science project where we transform messy numbers into actionable insights. Let's get started. EDA is the process of performing initial investigations on data to discover patterns, spot anomalies, and check assumptions. Think of it as interviewing your data before you hire it for a machine learning model. Real-world data is rarely perfect. We start by identifying missing values. In Python, we use the Pandas library to find these gaps and decide whether to fill them with an average or drop them entirely to maintain accuracy. Numbers tell a story, but visuals make it clear. We use histograms and box plots to see how our data is spread out. Are most values clustered in the center? Or do we have extreme outliers that could skew our results? Finally, we look at relationships. By using a heat map, we can see which variables move together. If two variables are highly correlated, they might be providing the same information to our model. You've just completed the foundation of every great data science project. Remember, your model is only as good as your analysis. Follow Expert-Hive freelance services for more academic success. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated.